Hello, good day. My name is George. To all the retail owner, supermarket owner, and any other business that require a POS system, Autocount might be the best for you. First, it doesn't have an annual fees, so you don't have to pay every year. And besides that, there are a few more powerful features I would like to share with you. Doing cashier, doing your inventory management, promotion, membership, all this 100% can do. You also can do credit sales, invoicing, or berhutang lah, so that people can buy your product and pay later. So if you worry that you might forget who owing you money, right? That is a debtor statement for it. So leave no berhutang behind. When it comes to trading, sometimes you want to sell it in a carton, sometimes you want to sell it in a smaller quantity. So can, length, square feet, kg, you name it, you can sell it whatever the way that you want. So Autocount can do just that. So you don't fit the system fits you. Lastly, it also linked with accounting software. Just a few clicks. All your sales will be posted in a profit and loss statement so you know how much you are making. And there are so many more features such as putting an expiry date on your item, stock transfer. You want to know more? Give us a call. And you better do it now. Why? Because now you still stand a chance to claim 50% cashback or maximum claim up to 5,000 from SME Digitalization Grant. Post system, accounting software, T-Tech solution.